video, I want to talk about lying on an application. I have a lot of clients that will call me and they'll say, I'm filling out a job application and it asks me, have I ever been arrested? Do I have to answer yes? Can I just say no? And the answer is that usually when you're lying, somebody's going to pick up on it. If it's a job application, they're going to do a background check. They're going to come up with it. I've had people who have gone through the proper proceeding in court. They've expunged their record. That legally allows them to say, I've never been arrested. And when they do that job application, they say, I've never been arrested. But then the job comes up with it because there's some private internet company that never expunged the record because they didn't know you went through that procedure. Or the job, a more serious job, does a federal background check and the feds never seal or expunge their records. And they come up with it, and while you would have gotten the job for being truthful, they feel you lied to them and you don't get the job. Even worse, going back a number of years when the real estate boom hit, and people could walk into a bank and fill out a loan application and they would throw money at you. And then when the bubble burst and people started going through foreclosure, banks started to go back and look at those applications where people were just making up the amount of money they made and lying about their income. At the time, it got them the loan they wanted and it got them the house they wanted. But then when they defaulted and somebody started looking at it, they got charged with fraud for lying on an application. So my recommendation is don't lie. Be really careful because you never know when it's going to come back to bite you in the butt.